How's it going, you guys? It's Roblox Scripts here, and I'm back with another video. Now in today's video I have a script for the game The Hood. Now this is an Autofarm script that I have showcased in the past. I was making a video on this right now, however I had some issues where my microphone was recording double, so I already fixed that and I'm having to re-record this, but I'm going to get straight to the point. Now like I said, these videos are for educational purposes only. Now I appreciate all of you guys leaving some support in the new videos. I am seeing all your comments and I'm going to be hearting them. The script will be in the description below so that you guys don't have to have any issues with that. Once you get the script, you're going to go into to the HUD game, attach this, and afterwards you're going to execute the script. Once you execute the script, this will pop up. It's going to take a couple seconds, and once this loads up, you know you did it correctly. You turn it on, and as you can see right now I'm at 246,000 at 9:44. I'm going to leave this on for a couple of minutes to see how much money we can get, and like I said, this is an undetectable script. However, I believe someone else is actually doing this in the server as I'm not getting anything. So let me just go ahead and refresh this and try to join a different one, as a lot of people like to auto farm in the lower player servers. Orion library. There we go. Now it's doing its own little thing. 246 at 9:46, so that makes it a little bit better. And I'll be right back with you guys whenever we do leave it out of farming for some time. As you guys can actually see, I've been on for about a total of 6 minutes, yet I've already been able to amass over $11,000. So it's actually a pretty good timestamp. If you leave this on overnight, you can definitely make a couple $100,000. Now if you guys like this video, make sure you drop a like and subscribe to my channel. But I will see you guys next time, so take care. Peace.